The app opens in the Tickets view. If you've purchased tickets before, you'll see them here. Tap Info to access My Settings. You can enter your payment card details for buying tickets, view your purchasing history, or change the app's language, for example. To save your ticket receipts or use a student discount, select My Information and Login. From the Buy menu, select your desired ticket type: a single ticket, a day ticket, or a student season ticket. Single and day tickets can be purchased for an adult, a young person, or a child. For trips within Tampere, select zones A and B. Tap Continue to proceed to your shopping cart. There, you can edit the ticket and quantity and add other ticket types. Just pay and wait a moment for your ticket to load. The ticket becomes valid immediately upon purchase. From the bottom menu, you can read the latest news. The route planner also opens directly from the app.
Nysse. Matkalla kanssasi.